Hey there! Today, we're diving into one of the most essential kitchen appliances that every home cook needs, a high-quality blender. Whether you love whipping up creamy smoothies, hearty soups, refreshing juices, or nut butters, the right blender can make a world of difference. But with so many models on the market, choosing the perfect one can be tricky. That's why we've done the research for you. In this video, we'll be showing you the top 5 best blenders you can buy right now, carefully selected for their performance, durability, design, and overall value. These machines go beyond just smoothies. They can crush ice, make hot soups, blend sauces, and even create frozen desserts with ease. So whether you're a casual smoothie lover or a serious kitchen pro, you'll definitely find the perfect fit here. Links to all products are in the description. Starting off at number 5, the Blendtec Total Original. This blender is all about commercial grade performance made simple for home use. It features a powerful 1,560 watt motor and uniquely blunt stainless steel blades that are designed to pulverize ingredients instead of slicing them, creating ultra smooth textures in seconds. The square 4-side jar pulls ingredients toward the blades for faster, more consistent results, while the 10 variable speeds and 6 pre-programmed cycles make blending virtually hands-free. From frozen fruit and crushed ice to hot soups and nut butters, the Blendtec handles it all effortlessly. It's also super easy to clean. Just add soap and water and it self-cleans in seconds. Built tough and designed to last, this is a perfect choice for anyone who wants professional results at home without the fuss. At number 4, we have the Cleanblend Commercial Blender, a powerful and affordable option for home users who want restaurant quality results. With an 1800 watt motor, it effortlessly blends ice, frozen fruit, nuts, and vegetables into perfectly smooth textures. The 64-ounce BPA-free container is ideal for family-sized servings or meal prepping, while the variable speed control lets you fine-tune the texture. Whether you're making smoothies, soups, or sauces, its stainless steel blades and heavy-duty metal bearings ensure long-lasting performance, and the durable build can withstand daily use. It's surprisingly quiet for its power level, and it cleans up easily with a quick rinse. For anyone seeking high-performance blending without spending premium prices, the Cleanblend is an unbeatable choice that perfectly balances strength, simplicity, and value. At number 3, it's the Ninja Twisti Blender Duo, designed for modern, on-the-go users who want power and versatility in one compact machine. It features a 1600 watt motor with smart torque technology, which maintains steady power even when tackling thick or frozen ingredients. The Twisti tamper built into the lid pushes ingredients down toward the blades, ensuring smooth, even blending without needing to stop and stir. You can easily switch between a large pitcher for family servings and personal cups for single smoothies. Perfect for frozen drinks, nut butters, sauces, or protein shakes, it's a multitasking powerhouse. It's also easy to clean, dishwasher safe, and comes with to-go lids for added convenience. For busy people who still crave cafe quality blends, the Ninja Twisti Blender Duo is a reliable and stylish choice that makes blending fast, easy, and fun. Runner-up at number 2 is the Breville Super Q, a sleek and ultra-powerful blender built for serious blending performance. Its 1800 watt motor delivers incredible power while keeping the noise level surprisingly low, thanks to Breville's advanced noise suppression technology. The 68-ounce Triton jug is large enough for family meals, and the included personal blending cup is perfect for single servings or smoothies to go. The Super Q features multiple preset programs and 12 speed settings, giving you precise control for any recipe, from smoothies and soups to nut butters and crushed ice. Built with durable stainless steel blades and a premium brushed metal finish, it looks as good as it performs. If you're looking for a quiet yet powerful blender that offers professional results and modern design, the Breville Super Q is a top-tier option worth every penny. And finally, taking the number 1 spot is the Vitamix 5200, the gold standard of blenders trusted by chefs and professionals around the world. With a powerful 2-horsepower motor, it handles everything from hot soups and nut butters to frozen desserts and smoothies with ease. Its aircraft-grade stainless steel blades are built to last and ensure smooth, consistent blends every time. The 64-ounce container makes it ideal for both small and large batches, while the variable speed control gives you total precision over texture and consistency. What truly sets the Vitamix apart is its unmatched durability. Many users report using theirs for over a decade. It's the ultimate investment for anyone who wants flawless blending, versatility, and long-term reliability. And that wraps up our list of the top 5 best blenders. So each one brings something unique, from heavy-duty power and sleek designs to budget-friendly performance. Don't forget, links to all products are in the description below.